जैन व्यूअर्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? रिस्पॉन्स टू द चैनल इज ऑसम. योर लव एंड सपोर्ट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. लीडरशिप एंड माइंडसेट बूट कैंप्स आर ऑन. एक, बिकॉज आई मेक अ कॉल माई सेल्फ, एक चीज जो मेरे को लोग बोलते हैं कि इट इज एक्सपेंसिव. यस, इट इज एक्सपेंसिव. आई होस्टेड इन ताज होटल in Gurgaon. Your food and drinks in the sense tea and snacks are catered, not hard drinks. Lunch is catered in that. Apart from that, it is expensive because I am there in person with you. सुबह 7:30 पौने 8 से शुरू होता है और लास्ट वाला बूट कैंप finished at around 10:30 in the night. So 8 to 6 I am 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. in the evening I am taking the boot camp. Then people have personal questions. I give them all the time and it takes a lot of time. People who cannot afford, उस boot camp का कुछ part मैं इधर डालने की कोशिश करता हूँ अपने channel में. Not completely. It is only expensive because I am there in person to solve your whatever your questions and your doubts are. And it is for people जो अपनी life में improvement चाहते हैं, who want to be at a particular level. I have always been that. I was not a great person. I was a very, very average student, average person. But with my hard work and by grace of God, I have reached where I have reached. So, you can subscribe to it. You can watch the channel, whatever you want to do. It's your wish. Now coming on to today's vlog. आज का जो vlog है, it is very important to understand कि आप अपनी प्रोडक्टिविटी कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं. फॉर मी, एरोबिक एक्सरसाइजेस, प्राइमरली रनिंग, हैज बीन अ मेजर मेन स्टे, आई वुड से फॉर द लास्ट 2017 8 9 years और सो. ठीक है, मैं स्पेशल फोर्सेस में था और मैंने अपनी प्रोडक्टिविटी लाइफ में सिर्फ एक चीज़ से बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ाई है और अपना जितना भी स्ट्रेस है वो मैंने सिर्फ एक चीज़ से कम किया है, एंड दैट इज़ रनिंग excessively, moderately, not like elite कि मैं 200 kilometers पर. Yeah, there were weeks when I've run 175, 180 kilometers. आजकल क्योंकि मैं सिविल में हूँ, I am working on many things, so मुझे उतना टाइम डिवोट नहीं, but still I make a point to run. So how you can use aerobic exercise, basically running, swimming and cycling or walks, maybe trekking outdoors, to beat stress. Okay, ये सबसे पहली बात आप ये मान के चलिए कि it is scientifically proven the moment you do exercise, some kind of cardiovascular exercise, running, walking, swimming, cycling, it produces sweat and it releases endorphins. Basically आपको स्ट्रेस फ्री बनाता है, आपका मूड एलिवेट करता है, आपको हेल्दी बनाता है, बिकॉज इट रिड्यूसेस द स्ट्रेस फ्रॉम योर बॉडी. इट इज़ अ नोन फैक्ट. इट इज़ नथिंग ग्रेट, इट इज़ नथिंग न्यू. ये मैं कोई आपको नई चीज़ नहीं बता रहा हूँ, ये होता है. सो आप किस प्रकार से, दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बेनिफिट ऑफ इंक्लूडिंग एरोबिक एक्सरसाइज to beat stress. Now coming on to आप किस प्रकार से अपने स्केड्यूल में ये चीजें डाल सकते हैं और अपनी लाइफ को फिजिकली फिट, स्ट्रेस फ्री बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, और अपनी सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, जब आप फिजिकली फिट हैं, स्ट्रेस फ्री हैं, तो आप प्रोडक्टिव हैं. And how you can improve your productivity as a student, as a working professional, as a founder and entrepreneur, it is going to be. एक चीज मान के चलिए, make like what I used to follow and I still follow is, मेरे को अर्ली मॉर्निंग वर्कआउट करना बहुत मेरे लिए मैंडेटरी है. जनरली आप मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे, इंस्टाग्राम्स एंड मैं रनिंग स्ट्रावा पे, यू कैन फॉलो मी ओवर देयर इफ यू वांट टू. मेरी AM और PM वर्कआउट्स होती हैं जनरली. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम in a week I might go 3-4 days when I'm working AM PM, depending upon my work schedule, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वर्कआउट आई एम डूइंग, डिपेंडिंग कि मेरा काम कितना है. लेकिन द बेस्ट थिंग इज आई डू अ वर्कआउट इन द मॉर्निंग, देन आई हैव अ मॉर्निंग फेज जिसमें मैं 12-1-1:30 बजे तक काम करता हूँ, हैव लंच, टेक सम रेस्ट, एंड देन because of the day's work, क्योंकि I get up at around 5:30 in the morning, sometimes 4:30, depending upon the kind of work I'm visualizing. So I require some kind of break at around 4:30, 4:45, in between 6. वो वाले time पे either most probably I try to go for a run, and अगर मैं नहीं कर पाता तो then I do some strength exercises and go to the local gym and do my workout over there. But why I'm focusing on aerobic exercises, because you must understand whenever I'm telling कि आप अपनी productivity बढ़ाना चाहते हैं running करके, do it outdoors. I see lot of people running in the gyms on the treadmill. I have never run on it. Maybe once or twice in my career I might have run on it. Maybe because you must understand, embracing outdoors is the real thing. Embracing nature is the real thing. Even if you are in a polluted city like Delhi, I would still suggest that you go outside and run. Because indoors, you are not getting the actual benefit of that aerobic exercise. You are being assisted upon, you are in an environment, ACs, other people working. It's not at all a great environment. I'm not saying you can do it. The second point जो मैं आपको यहाँ पर बताना चाहता हूँ is running on roads is not bad. Please, it's a myth. इसको मत follow कीजिए. I have been running. मेरे साथ special forces में countless, Indian Army में every run happens on the road. Every run, generally everyone runs on the road. It's a myth कि रनिंग से आपके रनिंग ऑन रोड विल स्पॉइल योर जॉइंट्स. इट डजंट हैपन, बट यू मस्ट एम्ब्रेस आउटडोर्स. सो आप छोटी रन्स कीजिए, schedule it, like if you can't do anything in between breaks, in 1 or 2 in the afternoon, if you can't run, go for a walk. Embrace outdoors, do smaller runs, half an hour in the evening, half an hour in the morning, 20 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes in the, it will give you a lot of benefit. It will give you a lot of benefit. How to make this complete thing a better thing to do is, they are the following tips. See your schedule first. अपना schedule देखिए as student, as working professional, as entrepreneur, कि आपको क्या चीज़ आपके लिए क्या बेस्ट है. Which is the most productive time of the year? 90%, 80% of your effort should go in doing the thing when you are productive. ठीक है. जब आप slack करते हैं, जब आप lazy feel करते हैं, जब आपको लगता है कि मैं अब नहीं कर पा रहा, introduce a workout over there. ठीक है. Try and go for in the local park, run for 20 minutes, come back. You'll feel fresh because exercising will give you a high. Point to be taken is कि don't overexert yourself unless and until you are in a ultra athlete, और आप you are a pro guy जिसका athlete से ही काम गुजारा चल रहा है. Don't overexert for normal people, only because it will tire you down. You will eat food and then you will go off to sleep. I don't want you to do that. So stop it at a level जहाँ पर आप उसको अपने लिए productive बना रहे हैं. ठीक है. Stop it at a level, but just go out and do something. So go to, if you are not able to, if you are in a very conscripted kind of a place where there is not much of space, then you must go to the local gym and run. The last option is gym. I tell people not to go inside the gym and run. Yeah, you want to do strength training, I also do. Bit of weights, it's fine. ठीक है. Real strength, I again tell you, lies in your heart and lungs, not in the physical aesthetics. It's a big misnomer. So आप रनिंग को इंक्लूड कीजिए, आप स्विमिंग को इंक्लूड कीजिए, आप साइकिलिंग को इंक्लूड कीजिए. इन केस यू हैव मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन रनिंग, देन डू गो फॉर स्विम्स, गो फॉर cycling, because they are less impactful on your joints. Include these tips make a plan, make yourself productive, and all these activities have to be outdoors. I would request, embrace nature, go for a trek on the weekend if you are close to hills, if you're traveling, include treks in your fitness regime. They are a beautiful way to rejuvenate yourself. Do that. And finally, in the end, I will tell you that मैंने अपनी लाइफ में because of running, I have improved my everything as a special forces, as an entrepreneur, as a civilian, as a person who is doing things right now, as a peak performance mentor. I have literally, it's one activity which has really helped me build confidence, physical fitness, happiness, stress free. It has helped me a lot. Kindly imbibe it. It's your wish. I leave up to you कि आप क्या exercise follow करना चाहते हैं. Remain healthy, be physically fit, include any kind of workout to beat stress rather than engaging in other activities like smoking, drinking, or any other thing. You want to have a drink with friends, there's no problem, go and have it. You want to have a smoke, keep it controlled. It's not good for your health. So thanks for watching the vlog. Really appreciate. Your love and support is outstanding. Kindly comment. I have told you that I don't make vlogs much on geostrategy and all. They are well-read people and experts who are doing the job. So I hardly do that thing. My forte lies in making you the best version of yourself. अगर मेरी learning से आप एक best version बन सकते हैं, nothing like it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself. Jai Hind.